Compound interest accrues on the principal and on previously earned interest. This means the amount of interest grows exponentially over time. Calculation: simple interest, calculated using the formula BAS XI may pay saxt compound. Interest, calculated using the formula RASX1 APX1 TARIN, where A is the total amount after periods. Use cases: simple interest is commonly used for short-term loans or investments. Compound interest is typically applied to savings accounts, credit cards, and long-term investments. Impact over time: with simple interest, the future value of an investment or loan grows linearly over time. With compound interest, the future value grows at an increasing rate, which can significantly affect the total amount of interest earned or paid. Understanding these differences helps in choosing the right investment or loan type based on your financial goals and timelines. Now that we've reviewed the key differences, feel free to explore more problems, move on to another financial arithmetic topic, or apply these concepts in various scenarios. Let's move on to anniversaries and their calculations. An annuity is a series of equal payments made at regular intervals. Annuities are commonly used in retirement planning, loans, and insurance settlements. Types of annuities: ordinary annuity, payments are made at the end of each period. This is common in savings and retirement accounts. Annuity: due payments are made at the beginning of each period. This is often used in lease agreements and insurance premiums. Calculations: the present value, PV, and future value, FV, of an annuity can be calculated using specific formulas. These calculations help determine how much money is needed now, PV, to achieve a certain amount in the future, FV, or vice versa, based on regular payments and a fixed interest rate. Present value of an ordinary annuity, PVOA. This calculates the current value of a series of future payments, considering the time value of money. Future value of an ordinary annuity, FVOA. This determines how much a series of payments will be worth in the future. Let's break down the formulas and apply them through examples. Example for ordinary annuity. Suppose you plan to deposit $200 at the end of each month into a savings account that earns 6% annual interest, compounded monthly. How much will you have after 5 years? This is an example of an ordinary annuity, where we would calculate the future value using the appropriate formula. Problem solving: imagine you want to save for a future goal and decide to deposit $100 at the beginning of each month into a savings account with a 5% annual interest rate, compounded monthly. How much will you have saved after 3 years? This scenario represents an annuity due, and you'll use the modified formula for calculating the future value of an annuity due. Try solving this problem, or if you prefer, we can dive deeper into annuities, exploring different variables and their impact on the calculations.